In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the A-pillar with a pull handle on your Chevy Silverado. This will be located in the front of the vehicle. Let's get started. To install this part, you will need to supply your own bolts, an M6 1.0 by 30 millimeters, and you will also need a 6 by 1.0 tap. We're going to grab the top of the A-pillar. I'm going to pull back the door seal slightly and get my finger on the back of it. Then we're going to push out, popping the clips, pull out, and then back. And remove the pillar. This tether is going to be clipped to the back of the pillar right here. It just slides in and then gets held by this clip right here. You're going to pull slightly down on that clip and push it out of that bracket. We're not going to be using this tether, so we're just going to clip it back into place. We're going to lay down a microfiber cloth to catch any of the shavings that come off while tapping these holes. Using our 6 by 1.0 tap, we're going to tap the 2 holes. If you've never tapped a hole before, you're going to want to start going in until it gets hard. Put your ratchet in reverse and go until you feel that chip break. It'll start to get easy again, and then go back in and start the process over. Continue this process until most of the tap has made it through the hole. And repeat that same process for the second bracket. We're going to line the bottom tab up with the dash and get it installed. Get it to sit flush and push the clips into place. Get the bolt started and snug them down. Make sure they're nice and snug. Install the trim caps. Just push them into place. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.